Dear Kuya, and to the staffs of Pinoy Roblox Big Brother Tropical Edition.
Ang gusto lang namin sabihin ay sobrang thank you.
Thank you for giving us an opportunity to be part of this journey na hindi namin makakalimutan.
Kahit feeling namin, minsan hindi kami ganun ka-recognized.
And kahit hindi kami yung task layers, tinanggap niyo pa rin kami.
We still became part of the Big Five duos, and that alone means so much to us.
Sa lahat ng supporters na naniwala sa amin, kahit konti lang kayo, we're very thankful.
Hindi namin yun makakalimutan.
Sa mga naging kaibigan namin sa loob ng bahay, thank you.
Kayo yung nagbigay ng kulay sa stay namin. Kahit may mga violations kami, sana yun din yung maaalala niyo sa amin.
Not just the mistakes, but also the moments na pinasaya namin kayo.
Lalo na yung pagiging kami, yung housemates na may laging dala na puno at lumalabag sa rules sa loob ng bahay.
Yun talaga kami, and we're very proud because naipapakita namin ang totoong kami.
To the staffs and also Kuya, sorry kung naging troublesome kami in some way.
Pinakita niyo sa amin yung mundo na hindi namin basta-basta makikita outside.
Dahil sa inyo, mas marami kami natutunan, not just about the game, but about life.
This chapter of our lives, masasabi namin isa sa
pinakamasaya.
Hindi man perpekto, pero totoo, masaya, at puno ng pagmamahal. Hindi man pareho ang naging simula namin kasi isa sa amin hindi wildcard at isa naman wildcard.
Pinagtagpo pa rin kami.
Hindi man kami naging close ng una,
pero pinagdaanan namin ang sobrang daming challenges together.
Sa dami na nangyari, we grew, we understood each other, and we became best friends. Sobrang thankful kami sa isa't isa. Sa lahat ng naging part of the Tropical family, thank you for making us feel like we belong.
Kahit anong mangyari after this, dadalhin namin lahat ng memories, lahat ng lessons,
at lahat ng pagmamahal na nakuha namin sa loob ng bahay. Hanggang dito muna tayo, pero hindi pa tapos ang lahat, especially ang journey natin. Good luck sa atin, housemates. With all our hearts, thank you so much, Raven and Liam.
Dear Kuya, first of all, thank you so much for this incredible journey in PRBB Tropical. From the very beginning, sa audition form pa lang, I honestly didn't expect much.
I just tried my luck not knowing if I even had a chance. So when I got the Gmail that I was tanggap as a housemate,
sobrang shock talaga. It felt unreal, like, wait, totoo ba to?
Mixed emotions, super happy, super nervous, and at the same time, pressured na agad because I knew this was going to be a rough journey.
Pagpasok ko sa house, everything felt so different from what I imagined. As a housemate, every day came with new challenges.
May task na simple sa umpisa, pero habang ginagawa na, biglang nagiging complicated.
There are moments na I felt the pressure really building up, like deadlines, instructions, time limits, and expectations.
Kuya, honestly, may times na parang ang bigat na. Especially kapag sunod-sunod na yung task and you're really tired, but you still need to do your responsibility as a housemate.
Despite the pressure, I kept pushing myself. I tried to stay focused even when I was confused or stressed. I learned how to manage my emotions and just keep going kahit minsan gusto ko na sumuko for a bit.
Then came the 5 big duos face votings. That part was on another level of pressure.
Kuya, sobrang nakakakaba kasi hindi mo alam kung safe ka ba o marami bang boboto sa'yo. There were moments na I really felt the pressure kicking in. Yung tipong you're thinking, kaya ko pa ba to?
But at the same time, you had no choice but to continue. Now reaching the big night, Kuya, I still can't fully believe it. From the audition form to becoming a housemate,
surviving all this pressured tasks, and now being part of the Big Five duos with my two feet, it feels like a full of journey, of growth and survival at the same time.
Looking back, I realized the pressure was actually part of the lesson. It taught me how to stay strong even when things feel overwhelming.
It taught me how to continue even when I'm tired, confused, or doubting myself. And most importantly, it taught me that I am capable of more than I thought I was. Kuya, thank you so much for this opportunity.
Hindi po madali pero worth it lahat. I will always be grateful for this experience, for the pressure that shaped me and the journey that helped me grow as a person.
Kuya, if there's one thing I will always take from this journey, it is that growth doesn't happen in comfort. It happens in pressure, in challenges, and in moments where you feel like giving up, but still choose to continue. I learned how to trust myself more, how to stay strong even when everything feels overwhelming.
And how every mistake and struggle is part of becoming. Most importantly, I learned that I am capable of more than I ever imagined.
If
I just keep going and don't quit.
Thank you so much, Kuya.
Kuya.
Dear Kuya,
First of all, thank you for the opportunity that you gave me to be a part of your house.
for to trust me as a housemate. And thank you, Kuya, for all you have done to us because without you
We would not be here. And I am grateful for all the management
and to all hosts here,
who is always with us in any trials we will face in. And this edition is not for only entertainment purpose.
this is what shows us to be ready for any challenges that we've experienced.
Because when I entered Kuya's house, I learned how to be a courageous, respectful, responsible person and have a confidence in myself.
And this motivation will not only maintain at the house. I will bring these aspects with me when we are leaving the house. And I did not just enter here for the prizes.
I entered here with a big honor title and
And
thank you, Kuya. Because as I said, without you, I would not be in the Big Five duos. Thank you very much, Kuya.
And Kuya, this is gonna be our last time bonding together. And I want you to
Oh,
know
how much you mean to me. You've been more than just Kuya to us. I know we're growing up and life is different paths.
that no matter where we are,
You'll always our best, Kuya.
and as we spend our last bonding in you, Kuya, I can't help but feel a mix of gratitude and sadness.
Now that we're all about to go our separate ways, I want you to know that a part of me will always be with you. Distance will never change the fact that you're our Kuya.
Kuya, the one I'll always look up to, the one I'll always proud of. This isn't goodbye, Kuya. This is just see you later.
Wherever life takes you, remember that. We're always here for you and waiting for the day we bond again like old times.
Once again, you are always our best, Kuya.
Thank
you,
you,
Kuya.
Sa aming pagpasok sa loob ng bahay, dala namin ang paniniwalang kami ay lalaban at ipaglalaban ang aming sarili.
Sa bawat hamon na aming kinaharap, pinili namin huwag sumuko. Umarap kami sa iba't ibang pagsubok.
Maaaring hindi kami palaging nauna, ngunit hindi iyon naging hadlang upang ipakita namin na hindi kami mahina.
Salamat rin kay Kuya at sa mga MCs, lalo na sa mga housemates. Salamat sa mga memories.
At sa hindi pagsawang pagsuporta. Huli, ang kulay asul na aming nire-representa ay sumisimbolo sa aming katatagan at tiwala sa isa't isa.
Dear Kuya, when I first joined the season,
I came in not really knowing what to expect.
I was nervous, excited, and still trying to figure out where I fit in.
Everyone had something to offer, and I kept asking myself,
If I was enough.
but as the task started, something in me changed.
I began to push myself more mentally, emotionally, and physically. Every challenge became an opportunity.
Every challenge became an opportunity to prove myself. I listened, I learned.
And I gave everything I had. Slowly, I started to excel not because I was the best from the start, but because I refused to give up.
There were moments I surprised, even myself. Tasks I thought I couldn't handle, I overcame.
And through those experiences, I found a confidence, I didn't even know I had. But even after all that,
I still face eviction. That moment broke me, Kuya, because deep inside, I know I still had more to give.
but maybe I needed that moment to pause, reflect, and grow. And when I came back as a wild card,
Everything felt different because this time, I wasn't alone. I found Dwayne.
Tiffany,
She became my strength when I was doubting myself.
my partner in every challenge, and someone who truly understood me. Together, we faced every task.
Every pressure and every moment of uncertainty.
And Kuya, look at us now. From being unsure in the beginning, to pushing ourselves in every task, to getting evicted, to coming back as a wildcard housemates.
Now, we stand here as a final duo. And no matter what happens next, one thing is certain. We fought
We grew
and we made it here together.